Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, my name is Paolo Marasigan and I do tech related contents. I do tech unboxing, tech reviews and all that good stuff. So if you are into that kind of video, make sure to subscribe. I also do tech related contents in Instagram and TikTok. So you can follow me there as well.
So going back as a tech content creator, we get to test and try gadgets, and I'm so stoked to get my hands on a Victus by HP laptop, which is powered by AMD Ryzen 7 5800H to try it out for a week. So Victus by HP is not just another gaming laptop, it can also be a creative's dream come true since this laptop is decked out with powerhouse features like long-lasting battery life and latest and greatest processor. It has a slim chassis design which makes it perfect for transporting your work while on the go. So whether you are a content creator like me, an aspiring artist, a writer, or even a photographer, this powerful machine is here to help you make the kind of content that you want. With Victus by HP, I can really create, inspire, repeat. So let me go over the specs so you know how powerful this laptop is. For the processor, it has AMD Ryzen 7 5800H with the base clock speed of 3.3 GHz all the way up to 4.2 GHz. For the memory, it has 16 GB of DDR4. And for the hard drive, it is using the 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. For its display, it has a 6.1 inches Full HD IPS display. For its connectivity, it is using a Realtek Wi-Fi certified 6 and a Bluetooth 5.2. For the ports, it has a lot. So there's one USB Type-C and there's one USB Type-A, one HDMI 2.1, one RJ45, one AC Smart Pin, and one headphone or microphone combo. And there's one SD card slot and another two USB Type-A. This Victus by HP is already using the latest Windows 11. So let's talk about the features of Windows 11 for a bit, since a couple of things I want to share with you. First is the Microsoft Teams. So during the pandemic, we are not allowed to go out and online conferences and meetings are a thing. Microsoft Teams makes it easier than ever to stay connected to our friends, family, and workmates. It is all in one actually, since it already has an integrated chat, call, audio meetings, and video meetings which available in both PC and mobile. For the next feature, the improved multi-monitor support. Although this is a laptop, it is still good to have an external monitor for your setup at home. Windows 11 is incredibly convenient with its ability to let you plug your laptop from a second monitor without any worries. When you do, any open windows will minimize, but their place will be tracked and remembered by Windows 11. For the next feature, the widgets. So finally, it is back. If you are constantly on the go but don't want to miss out on important events or activities, Windows 11 widgets are here to help. With just a few clicks, these widgets makes it easier to ever find the content that matters to you. From sports updates to movie trailers, even the latest videos from your favorite content creator or YouTubers, get the information you need at a glance. Next feature that I want to talk about is the Snap Group. It might be the most underrated feature of all, but this makes multitasking a breeze. So with their new layout selector feature, you can easily snap windows into various arrangements. With the click of a button, no more manual dragging and dropping of windows to get clusters just right. Simply hover over the maximize button and select the neat 3 or 4 window cluster selections. The last feature that I want to talk about is the Microsoft Store. Windows 11 is introducing a whole new Microsoft Store, one that's better than ever. So it will bring digital media, apps, games, and more to your desktop. Imagine being able to purchase or download apps or video games with just one click. AMD and Windows 11 have outdone themselves in pushing the envelope of computer technology. AMD has made revolutionary advancement in CPU that lead to a better gaming and creation performance. And let's not forget about Windows 11. With improved multitasking functions and new interactive applications, this operating system is truly taking us into the future of computing. The Victus by HP laptop was an absolute eye-opener of the latest and greatest tool that I can use as a content creator. Both AMD and Windows have come a long way in innovation to support what kind of creator are you. Also, both AMD and Windows 11 got you covered from processing high utilization tasks without slowdown to improve multitasking functions. All in all, I had a great experience using this laptop and I would highly recommend it, especially if you are looking for an all-in-one solution to your creator needs. I just wish I had it for a longer time.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.